early, you guys. It's not even 8 o'clock yet, and we came to Dutch Bros because I mean, it's not a vlog if we don't go to Dutch Bros, right? The reason why we're up early today is because we're actually heading to the DMV. I never finished registering my car, so we have to go to the DMV today. We were able to finish doing our smog check for the truck, so now we're actually able to. What happened? You're always getting dirty. I need to buy you a bib.
I just got in the car.
You just washed it too.
Yeah. Oh my god.
I swear, you guys, Ronnie's always getting dirty. I swear, he needs to wear a bib every time we step out the house. Alright, babe, you can't stop. Yeah, we finally finished the registration to the car. Not the registration, doing the smog check. So we're gonna finish doing the registration, so that's why we have to go to the DMV. And then we're also gonna go Christmas shopping for my mom. At least want to buy her something for Christmas. And then Ronnie already got his Christmas gift yesterday. I wrapped it up for him, so it's under the tree, so I'm excited for him to open it because it's something that he's been wanting. And you guys, I was
more cowboy boots?
No. Oh. Well, I don't know.
It could be.
It could be anything. Today is Thursday. Thank you God for another day. Coffee. This is my favorite drink. This is the hazelnut truffle. I get everything sugar free, and then I get 2 shots of espresso. Well, today I got 2 shots of espresso, and then with soft top. It's so good, you guys. This is my favorite drink. Favorite drink. I don't get any other drink besides the chocolate milk, the banana bread chocolate milk, which if you guys haven't tried it, you guys definitely need to try it. It's really, really good. That's all I was craving when I was pregnant, and I had to stop because I got diabetes. So diabetes. Oh, that's diabetes. And just like that, you guys, we're done. It was actually a really quick stop at the DMV, which I'm happy. We placed a bet to see what window we were gonna be at. We both lost. Yep. We were saying whoever wins, we owe each other breakfast. So we ended up losing. So we're still gonna go get breakfast because we haven't had breakfast yet. So you're singing the wrong song.
Cool version.
No, you're over there doing a remix. Yeah. Brah.
But this one was picket fence. Picket fence has like you said, like that grayish, like a. So let's keep this.
That's the brightest one, right?
That's the brightest one.
Anything brighter than that?
Hmm?
Do you have anything brighter than that? Because I feel like that's not bright enough for me.
I think this is bright enough.
Think so?
Yeah.
Oh, it's already mixed. Okay.
Yeah, we probably only like 3.
Would it be over here? Would it be over here? The paint?
Yeah, but I'm grabbing one of them. Oi, my flexi. My flexi.
Guys, it is Sunday. Welcome back to another day. Right now we're at the apartment. We're actually cleaning up the apartment right now. We've actually been here for a few hours already. We just decided to vlog right now because we're literally almost done cleaning the apartment. Right now I'm actually cleaning the bathroom. Yeah, I'm cleaning the bathroom right now. Make sure everything is nice and clean and disinfected. I just cleaned the toilet and all that. Ronnie mopped the floors. As you can see, they're still a little wet, so we're letting them dry right now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and clean the inside of here. I also bought we went to the Dollar Tree, you guys. We actually bought some of these little shelf liners, so that way we can put inside the cabinet. You guys, I didn't know we were gonna be this tired cleaning because it's The cleaning, like we're actually really doing like a deep clean.
Granted, too, we didn't really sleep last night.
Yeah, we didn't sleep last night either, you guys. For some reason, the baby was very, very fussy. This morning, she woke up like around, I want to say like 5:30, 6 o'clock. And she was so fussy. She didn't want to go to sleep or anything. So what I had to do is I had to put her in bed with me so she can fall asleep. Tell me why the moment that I put her in my arms to lay with me in bed, she fell asleep. So I don't know what it is. I know it's pretty common in infants. I did read that it's pretty common for infants to like fight their sleep. But right now, she's actually asleep right now. We brought her with us. She already ate, so she's already knocked out. But yeah, you guys, we're running on maybe like a few hours of sleep, some caffeine and vibes right now. But right now we're still cleaning. We're gonna be here for a little bit before we head out. We're actually gonna stop at either like Ross or something, or maybe Didi's or something, so we can find a rug. I do want to put like a little rug right here. The sofa is gonna be going this way, so we're trying to get like a little sectional. So we're gonna put like a little rug right here. We just ordered a bunch of furniture yesterday, so a lot of that stuff should be coming next week, beginning of next week.
Yes.
Some stuff is actually going to be coming after Christmas, which is okay. No biggie. But we're excited, you guys. We're going to bring you along with us, like I said, during this whole process. But right now we're just trying to clean tremendously because it needs it very, very bad. What's it called? There's like a huge difference already. It smells so much more cleaner, fresh. We're just gonna keep cleaning up and everything. And what's it called? Just make sure that this progress is going. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the cleaning the shower. I do have to mop in here, I think. Yeah, I have to mop in here. I'm gonna clean inside here as well. We bought window cleaner or mirror cleaner, so I can go ahead and clean this, but we're gonna most likely have to make another stop soon. But it's okay. It's coming along little by little. I'm like letting it season all the chemicals that it season in here in the shower, so that way I can go ahead and scrub it down and clean it and everything as well. So we're making progress, you guys. We're making progress. We made it to Burlington. Right now we're looking at rugs, you guys, because you know how I told you we want a rug for the living room. Well, big enough for the living room. I feel like that one's too dark, babe.
It is too dark, but no lie. This probably would be the bigger, better length.
What size is that one?
6 feet by 10.
Let me see. Is this like soft? Sorry.
Feels good.
Ooh, I like that one.
$69.
$69. I mean, it's not that much of a difference. Careful, babe. I don't want you to fall.
They're all over the place. But I actually do really like this one now.
Let me see.
I say we do this.
Do that one?
Yeah. I know it's too dark, but...
Well, think about it. The coffee table.
Yeah, it's gonna break that darkness up.
So, okay, so no to this one?
Yeah, look how much smaller that is. Our living room is kind of decent size.
You guys, this is our dilemma. Either this one or this one. You don't think the gray and the black will clash?
No, I actually think gray and black will actually go together perfectly.
Okay.
So this one.
Okay, we're gonna do the black one, you guys. We're gonna do the black rug. It's honestly, you guys, I wish you can feel this. Hold on.
Yeah. Sorry.
I wish you can feel how soft this is. This is so freaking soft. Okay.
Alright.
You guys, I ended up getting another coffee. Me and Ron got another coffee because we are exhausted. We just got done leaving not my brother's, but our apartment, cleaning and everything. And straight after that, we came to Burlington to get a couple things for the house. But me and Ron are like, we need another cup of coffee, so we ended up going back to Dutch Bros. And guys, it is crazy busy. Like, everyone is Christmas shopping, so it's crazy busy right now. But I'll do a little bit of decorating, getting some things for the house.
Trash can? Oh, we can get that later.
We do need a trash can.
We do, yeah, for sure. But let's get
I think we can keep that last though.
Yeah,
We can do that last. Get the dishware and stuff.
That's a Martha Stewart set.
Ooh. Guys, we need everything for the house. Everything for the house. Dish set? Non-stick though?
Yeah.
See what maybe in the bottom? Right here? $100? A little pricey.
Good there.
This is nice. It's really nice for like some soup or something. Albondigas. We made it back to the apartment, you guys. It is the next day. Today is Monday. As you guys saw, we went to Burlington. We bought a couple of things. We actually bought a lot of things for the kitchen, you guys. We picked up like some essentials. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we bought. But I did want to show you guys our mattress just got here. It's a big ass mattress. The mattress was actually supposed to be here Friday, so we got it a few days earlier, so that's nice. We can actually start getting the bed together. The slats, I believe, are supposed to be here on Wednesday. The headboard is supposed to be here on Wednesday too, so we can start making up doing the bed and stuff. And this is the carpet that we decided to get, you guys. I think I'm gonna move it a little bit more this way, just depending on how much the sofa gives like the coverage, so that way it hides like the tile. So I might have to push it just a little bit more this way, but I wouldn't know until we get the sofas, which we're actually going to be getting them on Wednesday. Today is Monday. And if you're asking where Ronnie is at, he's actually with Nevaeh at my brother's house. So because of the situation, because the mattress was supposed to be here on Friday, we came today to drop off like some of the stuff, and we were notified that the mattress was gonna come today. So we're just chilling at my brother's house, and so we literally have been waiting all day, you guys. We've been waiting all freaking day. I want to say we've been waiting for like maybe 4 or 5 hours. And yeah, it just got here today, just right now. It just got here right now at like 5:25. So we've been here since like almost 1:30. So we've been waiting all day. I did want to show you guys a little haul of the things that we got. First, we ended up getting the paper towel holder. I ended up getting these cute little oil and vinegar holders, dispensers, and it came with like this wooden stand. I thought this was so elegant, and it's like the vinyl, like the countertops in the kitchen are like wood, so I thought this would be perfect for the oil and the vinegar. And then we ended up picking up 2 candles, one for me and one for Ron. And you know, we gotta have candles in the house, so I ended up getting this forest, bergamot, and cedar. Guys, it smells so good. This was only $7.99. It smells so good. Ron picked up sandalwood and cedar, so we pretty much got the same candle, but his smells a little bit more manly, you guys, more manly. But we picked up candles, and then you guys already saw the shelf liners. We got these as well. We got these when we went to Dollar Tree. And then we also picked up the salt and shaker, the salt and pepper shakers. Wait, did I say that right? Salt and pepper shakers. It's kind of like this gray and black salt and pepper shakers. I'm not speaking, you guys. I'm exhausted. I didn't even tell you guys. I did not sleep last night. So right now I'm running maybe on like 2 hours of sleep. I'm so exhausted, you guys. And for whatever reason, I don't know why I couldn't sleep last night, because the day before, if you guys saw, me and Ron were super exhausted. So we're actually gonna go to the store right now, because we're gonna be leaving soon, and we're gonna stop to go get a Red Bull because I need a Red Bull. We picked up a 2-piece can opener and pillar set in like this brown color. This was really nice. I've never seen, it's usually like black, blue, but I really like this brown color. So here's, we got a 2-piece set, the can opener and a pillar set. Oh no, I broke it. Oh my god, who makes these glass? I broke it. I broke it. Well, now I have to pick that up. You guys, I'm so sad I broke the salt and pepper shakers. I'm gonna have to go buy some new ones. But we ended up picking up this 10-piece utensil set. So a bunch of spoons, and then we also got some wooden ones. This strainer. This was $7.99. Not gonna lie, you guys, Burlington's a little pricey. I think we should have just gone to like either like DD's or Ross or something, or Walmart, but it's okay. We ended up picking up the set of 3 of bamboo cutting boards, so different sizes, small, medium, and a large. So lastly, we picked up this vase with like faux I don't know what these are called, but I think this would go perfect on the coffee table that we're gonna have in the living room. So I can't wait to set everything up. I'm so freaking excited. We still have a lot of other things that we need. We need like a shower curtain, the shower liner. I can't wait to do like our first grocery shopping for the apartment, so I'm super excited about that. But we're actually going to be heading home already. We've been here all freaking day, you guys, all day waiting for this damn mattress, and I'm so happy that it's finally here. It's almost 5:30, close to being 6 o'clock. So I am gonna head home, and if anything, probably pick up the vlog tomorrow. I don't think you can see me. But we came to get tacos. This is our second time having tacos for the day. We went to this place close to like our new apartment, and they were not the greatest, so we came to another spot out here in Palmdale.
Names will not be mentioned.
I'm sorry, you guys, I'm low-key gonna gatekeep, but it's pretty popular out here in Palmdale. And I got me a little Mexican Coke. I got 3 tacos de asada, and he got a burrito de asada. I'm back here with the baby. She's actually asleep right now, but we're literally gonna devour these tacos because I'm hungry.
We need to make up for what we had earlier.
I know.
They weren't hitting on nothing.
Delicioso. Delicioso. After this, you guys, we're going home. We're for sure going home. We have another day. Can you put that up for me, please? We have most likely another eventful day tomorrow. I know Ronnie's gonna work on his truck. If you guys have not heard, he got a truck. He got a truck, so he's gonna work on a truck tomorrow. And then he got me some lights for my truck, some headlights. So he's gonna most likely do those tomorrow too. We do have to do a couple errands tomorrow, do some returns. And then Wednesday, Christmas Eve, we're actually gonna be a little busy because we have some deliveries coming on Christmas Eve. So we'll see what the plan is. Christmas Day, we're gonna spend it at the house. I don't know if I mentioned to you guys, we have like matching PJs. We're gonna order tamales tomorrow. We're actually gonna get up extra early to go get these tamales, and it's gonna be a good time, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be recording the entire day of Christmas Day because first, it's our first Christmas as a family. It's her first Christmas, so we're excited. So let's eat our tacos. I'm gonna show you what these tacos are looking like because they are bomb. We're gonna take a bite.
Did you show them how everything looked?
Oh, I didn't even show you guys. Give the camera so I can show you guys. And this is what the tacos are looking like. Put the green salsa with habanero salsa. I got my rábanos, and then I got asada tacos, and then he got his fat burrito. So let's eat. Cheers, baby.
Mama.
Cheers. So good.